Alright guys, I figured we jump into this guy and kind of start taking it all apart. So I figured, if you got nothing better to do, maybe you're at home right now getting ready to go to bed or just chilling, and you thought, yeah, let's see what this is all about. So we'll start getting into it a little bit, see what we can figure out. I'll make sure I get you a full video there. You can see what we're doing. So my son was thrilled, absolutely thrilled, when he saw this sticking out of the treasure box, and so we figured we got it to fit, thankfully, because we were almost done for the day. Got a couple things we got to snip up top. We get a couple of these. How's everybody doing lockdown, huh? I wish I had e-waste bin here with me. Maybe we could Skype or something. We could literally sit here and walk through this thing and figure out, ooh, okay, so if he was sitting here right now, I think he'd say, yeah, mate, make sure that you keep those. Get yourself some gold. Let's see what's inside of it, actually. Curious. I've never taken that. Oh yeah, look at those pins. Those have got to be gold, right? So that's got to be, I don't think that's plastic, is it? Yeah, that's plastic. So that's plastic, but those pins have got to be gold coated, I would imagine. And it looks like we've got a little bit of copper around that for whatever reason. Not entirely sure. It's got to be copper. Copper foil? It's kind of weird. I don't know what that is. It's not copper colored on the inside. Alright, so I think what I want to try to do is maybe just pull these off, if that'll happen. Close enough. Because I think these are so small they're not worth trying to strip, so I'm going to keep that just for the gold content. These are so small I don't even think they're worth trying to do anything with, so I can follow that around, snip those off, and get that. So let's do that. Follow him around. Where it goes, to be honest. I wish I could have seen what was all in this. That would have been cool. Come on. Yeah, that's all I need, that to fall right in my face. Plastic, plastic, plastic. Okay, so there is that final screw. And there she goes. I think, yep, gold contacts in there too. So we'll cut those off right at the base. Just like that. So I think those little contactors in there have gold as well. And there that goes. So we'll keep all that together. That's one piece. That one's going to go straight to the bin. No scrap. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. What do we want to do next? Now this is big enough to where I think that's strippable. That's something that I think we ought to do. It's pretty big. Twist all the way down, all the way up through here. So it's got quite a bit in there. We're going to get all these little connectors done and snipped out of here just to get to it. This might come off of here. I'm in the world. What are you talking about? Oh, are you talking about video games?
No, we're on a hot lava world.
A hot lava world. I'm not. Why are you on a hot lava world? Video games during quarantine. Or, you know, watching somebody take apart something like this during quarantine. Pick your poison. Pick your poison. Alright. So I picked up one of those online, like, Chinese imported wire strippers. I have no idea if it is worth it, but I kind of think it's not. I've used it once, and I don't think it's worth the money. If I recall, it was like $200. Don't know. Man, look at, okay, so there's all that. Still connected there though. Let's get this guy snipped. Alright. Ah, there's even more. There's wire going everywhere. No gold in that one. All that wire though. It's pretty good wire. Let's get this guy off. Are those good to sell? I mean, maybe I shouldn't have clipped that. Maybe that would have been good to sell as is. Dang it. Well, that one's still connectable, so maybe we leave that one. Maybe that's still good. I don't know. What do you guys think? Made in Japan, pretty good looking fan. I probably shouldn't have cut that though, huh? Maybe I'll keep both of those and try to sell those. What do you think, E-Waste Ben? You think that's sellable? A brushless fan. I don't know. Yeah, we'll set that aside. This one's going to be a pain to get to. Why? Unless those are just knobs I can unscrew, maybe. We'll see. Alright, let's keep it going. Probably be easier just to snip those. Okay, this guy here, I think was gold. I think the way I was looking at that, I think the connections inside of there are. Maybe. See how to get those off. Never taken these apart, so if someone's watching and can tell me how to get these apart easier, by all means let me know. Looks like maybe there's a little clip, little button to release, probably a specialty tool or something to get to inside of there, don't know. Yeah, looks like gold. Looks like gold to me. Looks like the pins go right through the wire. That's kind of interesting. Must be some kind of machine that does that. So I wonder if I need to just cut the wire to leave all that. Because can you see the little pins, guys? All the little pins sticking up out of there? There we go. It's kind of a neat little system. I don't want to pull the pins out. Okay, they're staying in there. Alright. Yep. So we got all those little gold pieces in there. That's pretty cool. So we'll keep that. Alright. Probably need to pull this off. I don't even know what that is. Some kind of... Oh, that's a good magnet right there. Check that out. Is that a magnet? Ah, what is that? I don't know what that is. I thought those were good little magnets or something. Some solid chunk of metal. What do those do? I don't know, they're cool looking. Maybe some type of grounding or interference. What do they call that? Is that barite? Interference for wire bindings. I think they use something similar to that, if that's what it is, something similar to that in metal detectors to help with the grounding on there so you don't have interference from outside electromagnetic fields. So I'll set that aside there. Apparently there's a bunch of them on this, so try to get all those off and not destroy those. But here's another nice chunk of wire, so we'll keep that. Let's pull the rest of these in. those clips off. There's probably, oh, you know what? Slides right off. Simple enough. Let's see, gold pins in this? Nope. No gold pins for you. We'll just snip them right off. And no gold pins from what I can tell on that, so just wire. Same with this one. But apparently there's something holding this on in the back, so yep. There we go. Ooh, got a nice another little gold piece. I think I was watching that. Let's see if we can get this one off. Nope, too small. But those are gold pieces. So we'll get him off in a little bit. Pull that piece off. Got another one of those pieces. Another one there. Snip this guy. Another one. Actually, this one looks like it might have some gold pieces in it, so that one will snip and set aside. This side does not. But we'll pull off that thing, keep that. I need to know what those are, guys. Help me out, because I have a suspicion that they're something good. All right, so here we go again. Got another another good little gold piece. Couple gold pieces. Let's get this one off. I'm actually really excited about the gold because that's pretty cool, if you ask me. Yep. All these little gold pins. That's so cool. There we go. Okay, and this guy looks like we can screw him out. Or he can be difficult too and be really small, of course. So I'll have to mess with him. More of this wire. I'm not gonna keep, you know what, until someone tells, I'm gonna keep saying Barite. Here's my little Barite sticks. I'm gonna keep pulling those out. No gold on you. Need to snip that off. And no gold on you. Trash. Not trash. What does that need to be? I think he throws that in shred. So wires there. That one's still stuck. Here's another. Ooh, more gold pieces. Very, very good. I need to educate myself on how to pull these pieces apart. These ones are not gold, but okay, so the insides are not gold, but the connectors on the inside are. So the outside where they connect, like right here, are not, but the connections on the inside are. So not gold, gold. Ooh, my barite strip. If I'm wrong on that, someone is annoyed right now with me calling it that. That's funny. I can almost guarantee it. And get my barite. Ooh, I'm getting better at pulling that off. No goal for you. That's almost oddly satisfying, pulling that out. Bunch of wire. The gold chunk. Okay. And we got another one of these. Another connection that could be snipped. Now this is semi-decent wire, so I think that that's definitely runnable. So we can check that out, and then I don't know what's behind this, but it looks like there's definitely some brass here and here. Let's take that bar out. Let's see what that's got in it. Apparently just this rod and then all these little connectors. I'm going to probably regret doing that. But anyways, alright, there's that. Alright, what else we got here? Still got some connections there on the plastics. Finish snipping those out. These are all good wires to be ready to strip. So we'll definitely be hitting those up. Need to find out if the scrapyard's open tomorrow, because I need to make a small run. Which, thank you Thub if you watch. I just saw that your older video that talked about running copper, about how you want to try to make a bigger run with more volume. So I might have to do that at some point. But like I said, until I get more room, get a truck, probably not going to be able to do it. So I will remain non-VIP at the scrapyard. So be it. There's all kinds of wireage there. Almost got this done, guys. Need some longer snips for in there. Alright, more wireage. Come on, you. There's one. There's another. Oh, they're all screwed in the back there. That ain't gonna help any. Okay, you. Over there. Let's see. Man, someone just got in here and just went to work, just started cutting wire. Now that's really good gauge there. What is that? I don't know, but that's pretty good wireage right there. Nice and pretty thick. Okay. Okay, there's that. What's in there? Oh, there's nothing there. Use copper conductors only. Let's see if I can loosen that at all. Looks like we can. I wonder if that's gonna loosen up any for us. There's a box there, and I can't get to it from here. Ooh, you know what? Check this out. I just bought some longer extensions today, so bear with me. Let me go get that. Okay, so yeah, I just bought some longer extensions today, so now I can get back in there no problem. Makes life a little easier. Can't see those. All right, got those out, and I want to still see if I can't see if that's loose. See if we can get that one. Who is trying to talk to me today? I don't got no friends. Maybe the scrap is calling. Yeah, come get me. Come get the scrap. Come get it. We're just over here in the treasure box waiting to be picked up today. Guy. Friend. Okay, now I'm talking to myself. Okay, let's see if we can get in here. Alright. Alright. 1, 2, a 1, a 2, a 3, 3. Now this fan could probably hook up to a 12 volt and get it to run. But that should be in pretty good shape, and we should be able to see about selling that one. So seems like it's sprinting pretty good. So there's another one of those. Maybe we'll try to sell those together and make a little bit better money on them that way if we sell those versus scrapping them. Okay, just got to get through a little bit more of this wire and we'll call it good. Okay, snip those. Man, what is up? I think I won the lottery or something. What's up? Wow. These are sticking. Why are you sticking, guy? Alright. Couple more. So what is everybody doing out there? Is there anything going on? Anything I should know about? Besides the obvious? Try not to watch any news. It's driving me insane. Alright. Ooh yeah, look at that. We got a big chunk of copper right there. Very nice. Maybe we turn this guy around. Oh, we got a couple more pieces here we gotta get off. Unscrew those. Got a nice little door hinge. I'm gonna wait before I get rid of this. What's this rainbow metal worth? That's almost like reminds me of a grade 8 metal. So if I'm correct in that and that's worth more for some reason, let me know. So I'm not going to do anything with it until you guys tell me. Just going to sit right over here. There's something crazy big in this box up here. I don't know what it is. Gonna have to unscrew it to get to it, but it looks quite crazy. There's wires going to it. The wires have been cut. Let's see. What is in there? Yeah, so it's inside of this, so it looks like it's being held on by those. Let's see what it is. Oh, there's a piece hiding. Ready for the reveal? What is it? What is hiding in here? What is that? I don't know. What is this? Dang, what is that? It was keeping it cool, whatever it was. I don't know. I almost feel like breaking into it. Okay, before I do anything with this, there's wires going to it. What is this, guys? I have no idea. So again, another thing, I'm not going to touch this until I hear from you guys what this is. So e-waste bin, you do all these computers, buddy. Tell me what this is, please. Okay, I think everything is off of this, so I would say for now. Oh yeah, I want to get those hinges, so hold on. I want these are really nice hinges, so I'm going to get those pulled off of there real quick. Those are nice. Those are real nice. Spring loaded and everything. I'll keep those. Okay. There's that. Keep those with those. Alright, well that's pretty much it, guys. I'm not going to bore you through the rest with all the wirage. Go ahead and get up real quick so I can show you what we got though. So there's that. Got a little bit more wire there. Got that wire. And then we ended up with what I would call, you know, some of the gold stuff. Need to know what that is, and I'll probably sell that off. So alright guys, well I hope that you enjoyed that. Get the rest of this gold out of here, and we'll catch you on the next one. See you later.